Okay, so we have another problem here, count salary categories, which is of type medium. So we have the accounts table, which has two columns, account ID and income. Both of them are type integer. So we need to write a solution to calculate the number of bank accounts for each salary category. So we have three categories: low salary, average salary, and high salary. In low salary, we have all the people who have salary less than $20,000. In average salary, we have people who have salary greater or equal to $20,000 and smaller or equal to $50,000, and higher salary for all the uh, salaries which are greater than 50,000. So we have this accounts table. Account ID 3 has salary greater than 1 lakh, which is greater than 50,000, and 8 and 6 also has salary greater than 50,000. So we have high salary of 3. Okay, and low salary of 1 because salary is 20,000, less than 20,000, and we don't have anyone who has salary greater than 20,000 or equal to 20,000 and smaller or equal to 50,000. Okay, so we need to write three categories here: low salary, average salary, and high salary, and aggregate the data based on the categories. So we can select low salary as category. Okay, and we will simply sum the case statement. Case when income is smaller than 20,000, then 1, else 0, and as accounts count from accounts table. So let's see what we are getting here. We should get 1 here for low salary only. Okay, so we have 1 for low salary. Now what we need to do, simply write a union keyword here, union all, and copy this query again. Now we will modify this query and write average salary here, and we will simply check this condition here if the salary is greater or equal to 20,000 and the salary, that is income, is smaller or equal to 50,000. So let's see what we are getting now. Okay, so we have average salary 0, low salary 1. Now one more query. Now we need to simply check for a high salary. So for high salary, we have only one condition, that is the income must be greater than 50k. Okay, so let's see what we are getting now. So the solution is correct, and we can return the result table in any order, so we don't need to do anything else. Let's submit it. Okay, so the solution is correct.